I've been having some trouble with my laser cutter cutting. It looks pretty good from the top, but been having troubles with it cutting only properly in the vertical direction, and I think that's because of the orientation of my air assist. So the air assist blows in the vertical axis, and I think what that means is that the horizontal cut's not getting as much penetration, and I have to do more passes than I would really like to. So what I'm working on here is a biaxial air assist. It's just printing right now. And the way that it's going to work is I'm just going to blow air in both directions. Let's flip to it here for you. Yeah, so I've just taken my existing, why can't I get there? I don't know. But I've taken my existing nozzle and I've just rotated it twice, or sorry, rotated it 90 degrees so that it's going to blow from both directions, from the side and from the front. We'll see if that improves things. I'm also printing up this Y pipe so I can split my my compressed air input and blow in both directions. We'll see how it works. Turns out I can run the laser and the 3D printer at the same time. Cutting out pieces from my power supply enclosure there. And over here, I'm printing out the adapter so I can split the hose on my air assist and get it working with both nozzles. Right now this is only cutting with the one of the two nozzles, the one on the left there. Alright, here we are cutting with the biaxial blower, and it seems to be working pretty well. I mean, for the most part, parts are just falling right through when they're cut. See, there goes another one. So, pretty happy with that so far. We'll see how it does with the rest of the cut. That's pretty good.